Did you order from Amazon recently? How was your Amazon package delivered? What if it didn't come via those fancy Amazon trucks in a few days, but instead by drone in just a few hours? You might be saying, yeah, right, but it's actually happening in test cities in Texas, Arizona, Michigan, Florida, and Kansas City. And guess what? There's a new Depin project out there that just hit the market that tracks drones for companies just like Amazon, earning you crypto as a reward. Let me introduce you to 4D Sky. So what in the world is 4D Sky? Well, 4D Sky is a public edge sensor network with a mission to track anything in the sky in 4D, focused on gliders, blimps, aircrafts of all size, big and small, and yes, drones. Now let's take a closer look over on their website here, 4dsky.com. Scrolling down, they have a great statement here, and I think it rings true to their project. Air traffic control still relies on outdated, centralized systems that are prone to failure. 4D Sky replaces that with an edge-native flight tracking network that eliminates single points of failure and powers a new generation of autonomous aircraft. And we've heard about this challenge recently in the news. The US Department of Transportation talks about the fact of how outdated the entire air traffic control systems are. Now, leaning into this, you might be like, all right, like this sounds great. But is it actually something? Is there actually real world value here? Is there actually partners with 4D Sky out there? Well, they have a few listed on their site, but let's talk about some bigger ones out there. Just more recently, there was a tweet out there. It says, is it a bird? Is it a plane? No, it's a brand new open source flight information system freshly installed in a UK airport powered by their network, which is absolutely amazing. And be like, okay, well, anything bigger? Because this was back in March of 2025. Well, yes, just this week, 4D Sky went ahead and look at this. They've partnered in a military grade up with NATO. NATO, guys. They've actually partnered with NATO. So are they partnered with Amazon? Because we talked all about that. We kind of led in with that on like where this is going. Well, they're not partnered with Amazon yet, but taking a look, our news article, Amazon has moved in the direction, and same thing as Walmart, in the direction of same-day drone deliveries. In addition, Amazon's even talking about it, that they're actually doing this in some cities currently right now. Amazon has even won a patent, guys, to put a warehouse up in the sky in a blimp and use drones to deliver packages. So this isn't something that's coming. It's absolutely already here. And where 4D Sky comes in is 4D Sky maps the sky. And you need the data that 4D Sky can provide to land drones, especially when you're talking about needing to drop a package right in your doorstep. You need 4-dimensional analytics and data down to the millisecond to get accurate deliveries. And how this is done is actually via their 4D Sky system made by Jet Vision. And I know this name's crazy, called the Air Squitter. Not the Air Squirter, the Air Squitter. Now, the item itself is this red box that you see here, has a wireless antenna on it. And don't be overwhelmed. You don't need to go crazy with this with all different types of antennas. You absolutely can. But let's say you're in a high rise and you have a great view of the city. You could put one of these in your window. Will it limit your coverage area? Yes. Will it still go ahead and actually work for the purpose of 4D Sky in pulling the data on aircraft and drones and deliveries? Yes, yes, and yes. Is this best to put near an airport? Yes. Is this best to add these antennas that you guys see on the right-hand side? Yes. The nice thing is you can really go ahead and gauge this based off of somebody who doesn't have great line of sight but still wants to participate, all the way up to someone who is right near an airport and wants to go ahead and strap some antennas on the side of their building. Jumping back over for 4D Sky, let's understand it a little bit more. How big is it? How far along is this project? What crypto are we earning? Well, jumping over to their Explorer, this project is insanely young. Now, it's the developers have been around for several years now, specializing within the drone industry. However, there's only 301 active devices worldwide, which like you're getting in so early, guys. There isn't even a true testnet token yet. So if you're like, oh, I like to play the game of getting into projects crazy early, and I like to see and gamble on like, how well is this going to do? We all know how well getting into projects early does, especially when it launches to mainnet. Well, this is one of those projects for you. But if you're into a project and you're like, okay, I don't know if I can get into this because I'm not earning daily profitability. Maybe this isn't for you quite yet. Give it some time. Wait till it gets over to mainnet. But the benefit of getting in early is earning those tokens. And that's why I've decided to get in early. Taking a look down here in Texas, you can see look at this. There's only 3 of these units in the entire state of Texas. And the nice thing is you could come in here and see, like, this one's actually right near IAH here, George Bush International Airport. And the nice thing is that these will go almost 250 miles tracking aircraft down to more in a close vicinity tracking drones. And you might be like, okay, but can we have several of these within a city? Yes, because you have to think the benefit of tracking aircraft is when you have multiple sensors in an area, that means you have more accuracy and you have more data. And as an aircraft passes from one sensor to the other, you want it to be a natural handoff. So it's super important to have as many of these as you can. There's no hex system right now. There's no like locking in a hex or oh, I can't be, on the other side of Houston because there's a guy up here in the top right-hand side of Kingwood. It's okay. The more sensors, the better, which I can totally understand, especially if you're near an airport. As I mentioned, this is not in testnet yet, not even close to mainnet, but they have right now, their roadmap says that they're planning to get to mainnet in summer of 2026. So you guys got some time. Right now, their roadmap is focused entirely on scaling their network. And in early 2026, they're hoping to expand into more aviation, possibly into automotive, shipping, agriculture, and into environment needs. Guys, the value of 4D Sky overall is the fact that it's taking the world of an edge network of sensors and aircraft and connecting it with AI. It's exactly what is going to be needed for Amazon to deliver their packages with autonomous AI-based drones. All right, let's not waste too much time. Let's go ahead and get my unit installed. All right, guys, well, it's below freezing outside right now in Pennsylvania. And of course, today we're going to install our 4D Sky. So the things we do for crypto, right? Let's take a closer look at the hardware. All right, we're over at our crypto mining compound. If you guys aren't familiar, I run a lot of Bitcoin and script Dogecoin miners over here. We actually do have just over the roof there, a GeoNet and a Weather XM over here as well. But this is where we're going to be installing our 4D Sky. We have a great view of the sky with nothing impeding our signal. So this is going to be a perfect property for the 4D Sky antennas. So here is the hardware. Let's go through it real quick. So this is called the Air Squitter, I believe. It's a weird name, but this is our 4D Sky at the end of the day. Not much to this unit. We're going to put this inside one of our sheds. And then on the back side here, we have Wi-Fi. So you can run this strictly off Wi-Fi. You have your FLARM or your UAT. This is more for like your drones and everything. And then on the right-hand side, ADS-B and GPS. And then you have power. So we have 2 different antennas that are going to be detecting different types of aircraft. Now, are these required? No, you don't have to go with these bigger antennas and everything. You can just go ahead and actually even take this and stick this in a window if you wanted to. You're not going to get as good of a signal, but this is the kind of optimum avenue to go to get the best signal and the most rewards, getting the biggest coverage. So outside of that, oh, there goes my box. We do have our cables that come with it. These cables, guys, if you're interested, are 30 feet each, so quite a bit of distance. It does come with a mounting bracket that is a hybrid bracket that can either do onto a pole or you can do just straight up mounting. So I'm gonna mount this directly to the side of my shed. I am not going to use this pole bracket at all. Picked up from Home Depot some hex heads to go ahead and mount this into the side of the shed. And then I'm going to go Ethernet. You know, as we know in crypto mining, Ethernet is always better. So I'm going to get to work. See you guys on the other side. All right, install is done for our antennas up here. Actually worked out pretty dang good. I did have to put the 2x4s in place just to go ahead and pull it a little bit away from the shed in order to get past the roof line there. But everything worked out really, really well. Everything that came with it made it real easy. So I didn't end up having to use the J-hook install mount, but used the mount that came with it, and there we go, perfect. All right, so let's take a look inside here. So we got a few projects going on, but we got the 4D Sky installed. So we came in over here, siliconed it up real good, coiled up our cable, and I have it piping in right here. Just did a little zip tie cradle with it, which is nice. So we have our GPS, power, Ethernet. This is our UAT, and then this is our wireless there. And there actually is a little screen on it, and you can hit the button to actually rotate through the different settings on it. So the air squirter is all set up and good to go. Let's head on home. All right, we are back from doing our install, and thankfully our 4D Sky Jet Vision air squirter is installed. Now, you don't have to go as far as I did with installing antennas on the outside of a building or your house. You can actually just run one of these in a window. Let's say you're in a neighborhood or you have an HOA, you can't do something like that. Even running one of these in a window is still super valuable. Especially right now, you're earning base rewards or base points right now. And then when they go to testnet, those will roll over. And then from testnet to mainnet, those will roll over in some type of capacity as well. So it's still super valuable to, one, get in on this early, and two, regardless of your situation. The nice thing is, as I talked about, there's no hexes or anything like that that lock you in. So you have lots of opportunity. But if you want to go big, like I did, there are antennas based off of EU, US, Canada, and other places. You can go ahead and purchase the correct antenna. I went ahead, I have the bottom two antennas here, the US one as well as the Americas one for FLARM, as well as the UAT one. That gives you the ability to track all types of aircrafts, which really will end up giving you a bonus. Coming out here soon, they announced you'll get a 20% bonus on points by having the additional antennas, which is nice, especially for the additional cost. Now, if you're not sure if you want to get into this on looking at profitability, as I said, you're not making anything from this right now. You're just going ahead and earning their points on their platform currently right now. As I said, they are super new. This is absolutely a gamble. You can come over to moken.io, put in your address there, and you can go ahead and take a closer look. But the best way is go ahead and load up the Explorer and take a closer look and see what's in your area. The nice thing is like, dude, if you guys are near an airport, you're golden. But even if you're in the middle of nowhere, guess what? There's still value there because you still have aircrafts flying past, which, let's say you're in the middle of Kansas here, in Wichita, Kansas, and you're out there, you still have boatloads of aircrafts flying overhead. Listen, once you decide to go ahead and buy one of these and you're like, okay, how do I set this thing up? The guys over at Helium Deploy have a fantastic video by JD over there that walks you through step-by-step, takes 5 minutes to set this up after you actually get it. Guys, listen, super excited for 4D Sky, but I'm also more excited for what we have coming down in the future with drones delivering packages. I want to be ahead of the game. You know, we always talk about, oh, I'm getting into this crypto project late, or there's no money in this right now for me. This is why I'm excited to be getting into 4D Sky this early. All right, guys, links directly down below. Go check it out. See you guys next time.